Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Altaf. I'm the founder of Ace360degree. We had a privilege to design a premium website for Kuwal Sanam architects from ideation to the final stage. We started with a strong focus on creating a user-centric design that aligns with Kuwal Sanam's architectural vision. The UI and UX was carefully crafted to ensure easy navigation and engaging user experience. Collaborating with the client, we integrated their provided content, carefully placing it into the site structure for a seamless brand experience. Our developers worked on both front-end and back-end, ensuring smooth, responsive, and high-performing website for all devices. To ensure reliable performance, we set up a VPS server and configured the hosting environment, optimizing the website speed and security. After rigorous testing and adjustment, we launched the website, ensuring it delivered an optimal user experience. From ideation to launch, Ace360degree builds premium website that tells your brand story. For more such insights, like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until then, stay tuned for the next video.